Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in, so start by confirming watch history is enabled. Open YouTube, go to Settings History and Privacy, and toggle Watch History on. Once done, pause and check that your Google account activity controls allow web and app activity. That's where YouTube logs live. If you previously paused history, enable it now and wait a few minutes for recent data to resync. Also verify you're using the same Google account where the videos were watched. Different accounts won't show the same history. Once account controls are active, go to Google My Activity and filter by YouTube to view raw event logs that sometimes don't appear in the app. Make sure to set the date range wide enough. Older items can be filtered out by default. If individual videos are missing from the YouTube history page, recreate them by saving to a temporary playlist or rewatching briefly to re-add timestamps. Also inspect liked videos and playlists. They can reveal items you watched even if history entries are sparse. Finish by forcing a sync. Clear the YouTube app cache or sign out and sign back in. On desktop, ensure cookies and local storage aren't blocking sync. If history still doesn't appear, reinstall the app or wait up to 24 hours for server-side updates. As a last resort, export your Google data with Takeout to search older logs or check your browser history for video URLs. If entries were deleted intentionally or by auto-delete rules, they cannot be restored. Adjust auto-delete settings to prevent future loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.